My name is Yogesh, and today I made a project of alarm clock. So in this project, first we create a basic HTML page. So in this first we made a form page in which we have ID over minute and second. Then we create a submit button and reset button for to set our time and stop our time. Then we create a class for set alarm list and which is used in the script.js. So then we link our script.js file to within the HTML page. Then after that we created our style.js file. So in this file, in this body tag, we take a background image so that our project looks very cool, and then we style our container, and then we style our header part, and then we style our displaying actual time, and then we user input, and then we style our button, and then we style our alarm list styling, and then simply, so this is a simple style set so that our project look cool. And now the main part comes script.js. So in this, first we take a current time function in which we have date, hour, minute and second. First we get hours and then minute and then second. After that we create a function in which we have to put 0 before single digit of hour. So we create this. Then we create a function for adding alarm input for the users, and then showing alarm new function and new alarm in a new list with a delete function. Then we get a music, so when we set alarm, then after the time ups it ring. Then we have to stop the ringtone, then we create a function to stop the ringtone, and finally we made a remove alarm from the array list when delete alarm button is clicked. So this is our script.js. Now we check our project. Suppose we set our time 21:55 and second देते 1. अब सेट कर देते हैं. अब देखते हैं बजेगा कि नहीं. सो देख सकते हैं अभी हमारे को बजने लग गया. So this is my other plug. Thank you so much.